In the realm of persuasion, attraction, and seduction, we discover a delicate dance, a game of absence and presence. Picture this. If you're persistently present, visibly in people's sight without respite, you leave no room for their imagination to wander. You deny them the chance to envision you as the thrilling enigma you might be. Now imagine if instead, you pull back a little. You're not always in sight, not a daily fixture in their lives, but rather a recurring guest every other day or every 3 days. You create a vacuum, allowing their imagination to fill the gaps, to ponder over your intriguing persona. As they contemplate your absence, they begin to idealize, attributing you with qualities that may or may not exist. However, tread carefully. Too much absence, and you risk being forgotten. If you're only present once a week, for instance, you could slip from their thoughts. Hence, the game is about finding that perfect balance, that ideal rhythm of coming and going, of absence and presence.